Hello and welcome to my first video here on SCH Videos. Today I'm gonna show you a program called Screaming that makes your voice helium in Skype conversations. Pretty fun to play around with. So you're gonna do it. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to the link that I'll put in the description. This one. That will get you to this site called Screaming Bee. You'll just hit the try button and start downloading. You can just put it anywhere on your desk, on your computer, also on your desktop. I put it on my desktop. I downloaded it. When you downloaded it, you'll just launch it. Yeah. No, I don't want this. No. Here you go. Yeah, I think it's all. Yeah, it's working. When you open it, you'll go to Skype, then go to Tools, Options, Audio Settings, and under Microphone here, you'll choose the one that's called Microphone, Screaming Bee Audio. Hit that one and save. Then we'll try it. I'll call Echo Sound Test Service. Yeah, thanks. Come on. Oh, this should be in helium, I hope. Helium, 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 helium. Yeah, right. Goodbye. As you see, my voice got helium, and if you want to hear your own voice, you can just go here and click the listen button. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I can hear myself in helium. And if you don't want to hear it, you can just click the listen button here. And now I can hear it. Can't. So that's all for today. Really quick and easy. Yeah. Remember to subscribe. That will help me out a lot. Thanks. Bye.